Hey YouTube viewers, I just wanted to make a quick video for anyone that has the TopFin aquarium heaters. When I first got my 200 watt, I was kind of confused on how to read the meter, so I was looking online and people were saying that it was preset to 78, it doesn't work, you can't adjust anything, and you don't understand what the dial means. But in this video I'm going to demonstrate on how to get the water temp and everything set and how to read the actual heater here. So on the top, you have this dial that turns left and right to adjust it up or down. And then if you look here, at your temperature spots, you have 68, 72, 75, and on up. So I'm going to turn it down. So if you pay attention to that black window right above 68, right next to the 72, if you turn the dial to the right, it's going to turn your heat up. You see that window starting to fill with red, and turn it again and it starts to fill up with 75, then 80, so on and so forth, and then it comes on. So let me turn this back down to about here where I had it on that. So this way, if that helps anyone understand how to use the TopFin, and this is the one from Petsmart, because I'd hate for anyone to just turn the dial not thinking it's doing anything and then their temperature get too hot for the fish and possibly kill them or injure them. So if this video is helpful to you guys, appreciate it. If you have any comments or anything, just leave them below and I'd be glad to answer them.